Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. I'm a professional trader and I've been working for several big investment banks like HSBC or Commerzbank. And I'm right now doing some YouTube videos because I want to show you guys everything I learned at work as a professional trader, and I want to pass the knowledge. So today I want to make a quick update on the Bitcoin because some crazy stuff is happening like the past weeks and especially yesterday. So I want to explain to you guys what is my view on this cryptocurrency. Let's get into it. So very quickly, let's start with the news. So yesterday we had Elon Musk saying Tesla purchases $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. All right. So the market capitalization of Bitcoin is around 700, now maybe 800 billion US dollar. So it's like around 1.2% of the total market cap. So it's a lot. The reason behind, so Tesla, the company, had more than 19 billion US dollar in cash. All right, so they need to put this money somewhere, and as you guys know, as I said already before in other videos I did on Bitcoin, a lot of hedge fund managers or just like companies are buying actually Bitcoin to protect themselves against inflation, the inflation of the US dollar that might happen because of the heavy printing that we see since the COVID crisis has started. So this 20 billion US dollar are actually at risk. So putting them into Bitcoin is actually kind of a hedge against this very high inflation scenario that might happen one day. All this has actually started, guys, 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago, Elon Musk just put a hashtag Bitcoin on his Twitter bio. And this, guys, gave us this first move up that we had here. All right, so on the 4 hours time frame. And here, guys, this was 2 weeks ago, we had a 20% move up. Right now, what do we have? Same thing, guys, 25% move up. And this is again due to Elon Musk making some announcement about his investment in this cryptocurrency. So of course he might have some issues. He was already fined 20 million US dollar for Tesla and for himself, so 40 in total, by the SEC because he was actually doing some tweets about Tesla back in 2018. And he's keep doing this, guys. He's buying some Bitcoin and then he's posting on the social medias that he thinks, I do at this point think Bitcoin is a good thing. And I'm a supporter of Bitcoin, you know, after having bought a lot of them. It looks like a bit some, front running, we can call it like this. You know, it means like you make your move before actually people do it. So it's like market manipulation. You can, say a lot of bad words on this, but Elon Musk doesn't care because he's the richest man on earth and he is full of cash. Now let's do a bit of technical analysis. So once again, for those who follow me on Instagram, I try to give you here a lot of information. I was seeing this descending triangle, which is usually a continuation pattern. So I was bullish like for the past 3 weeks. I was expecting here we have some convergence and then a breakout on the upside, which actually happened. Now we are here. So the breakout has been confirmed already last week. I did a video on this. I was telling you guys maybe you have one more chance to buy it at 33, 34. I think it didn't come back. It was maybe around here. And I was very convinced we're going higher. And I didn't know, of course, about the news. I'm just talking about the technicals. But why here it has gone that high, guys? Because many people are maybe aware of what is happening. And, technical analysis is just giving you the information that you don't have, because it's in the flows. All right. So you read the flows, you have the information. Whatever the information is, you can use it and make your trades. Here, it was a very nice level to buy. So now, where are we heading? We're going to 55,000, guys. I'm going to show you very quickly how I got this level. And if you want to buy, I have some friends that asked me yesterday. For example, a friend that is like in London asked me, he has a lot of different investment, and he asked me, where should I buy this stuff? I told him, careful, it's not a nice level to buy, 45,000, but you might buy 33. Now I check more carefully. And on the short term, actually, the first support is at 38,000, 37, 38,000. All right. So here you can buy some if you're really bullish. And about targets. So very quickly, let me show you how I found for those who are interested. I've done this already, but I'm going to do it again for those who haven't watched my previous videos. So basically, I do a bit of ELLIOTT and so ELLIOTT wave theory and a bit of Fibonacci extension prediction as well. So here, for example, what I see is that we are doing the fifth wave. So let me show you very quickly on the, if I show you the whole chart, guys, on a weekly basis. So we have, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it started here at 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we are doing the fifth wave of this entire move that started 10 years ago. Each wave can be split into 5 waves. Each, like a motive wave, can be split into 5 waves. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then ABC, zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in each third wave I can find 5 waves again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the past, but now the same thing is going to happen, guys. So we're doing exactly the same thing as we did before. Here we had a zigzag, here we have a flat, because in Elliott wave theory, if the second wave is a zigzag, usually the fourth one is a flat. For those who want to know more about Elliott wave theory and all the different characteristics of each pattern, how to use them and how to help you read a chart using it, you can click on the link in this description of this video, and you're going to receive a free video that I almost finished about Elliott wave principle. So here zigzag, here flats, and now we're going higher. And the question is, how big is going to be this fifth wave? So how big? It's hard to predict. Maybe my maximum level would be around 350,000, but in maybe 2023, something like this. But for now, we are just, replicating this wave and going from one resistance to the next one. So I use fib retracement, fib extensions to get it. So I measure this wave, I apply this extension to the bottom of my fifth wave, which is also the bottom of my fourth wave. And I just see the different ratios. So the most likely one is 1.618, so 35,000. We were there, we had some consolidation. And the next one is 2.618, guys, so it's 55,000. So what is likely to happen is that we have the same thing, some consolidation around this level. So it doesn't mean it's going to be the maximum level. Maybe it's going to go to 60,000 and then come back, but it's going to make a pause. The market is going to make a pause at this level, and you're going to have at least 2 or 3 weeks, I think, to, sell your position, maybe buy again if you think it's going higher. And then we're going to check again and reconsider the whole analysis. But for now, we are going to 55,000. There is nothing that can stop the Bitcoin going there, in my view. All right, guys, so that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like, sub, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And I'm going to do many more on Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies, guys. So stay close to shore.